Alrighty, we're gonna try to figure out this map here, and it is quite complex. So I'll have to decipher this later. So I'm kind of hoping this way down here is where I'm going to, like a lookout trail. So yeah, I do believe I'm way up here at this pond right now. So yeah, we're gonna be walking through the bush down here. And also, I just seen a gentleman go by, so I think we'll just keep heading south here, south to the Shaney Falls. Yeah, so this is my first real nature walk. And we got a nice fire pit with some wood. And it looks like a pretty cool spot in here. So it is all downhill from here. You see some people try to build a lean-to in here. And again, I have to watch my footsteps more than I have to watch the video, so hopefully this turns out all right. And I do not get lost in here, but oh, it's a little swampy in here. And like I said, you know, watching my step is a little bit more important than watching the video. And a little board going across here, I guess, when the water gets up too high. Oh, there we go. I almost got a soaker. Alrighty. I don't even know if this would be a good cross-country skidoo trail, but for cross-country skiing, but I do see that, so that must mean that it's made for cross-country, but that looks too rough to me. Rough and bumpy. Usually with these videos, I'd put them in time lapse. But I thought this time I'd do a nice, quiet walk with you guys. All my awesome friends that do like watching my channel and the things that I do in North Bay. Again, I see a little stream running down in there. And this bush is absolutely beautiful. And again, I've come across to a very icy part, so I'm going to try to walk around it here. Because that did look pretty slippery. And I see lots of deer tracks and also wolf tracks in here. If I go by some more, I'll show you. Yeah, using my mountain goat feet now. Yeah, these don't look like recent tracks, but you can tell something's been going around here. Let's see if I can find some fresh ones, I'll show you. Boy, I wish I'd wear some treads on my shoes. And we got a babbling brook. This is a pretty cool picture here. Now the mic's probably muffling the sound, but all right, let's keep on moving. Looks like I have to go uphill a little bit here. Yeah, I was thinking about bringing Dexter on this walk, and I thought, you know, this is a little too rugged for him. And again, I think it's very treacherous walking one hand. Although I do think my shoes are got good traction. Alright, a little bit more downhill. And again, a lot of downhill. I'll stick to the snowy part here, not the icy part. I figure I'm gonna take a tumble on my arse here, which I haven't so far. Yeah, this is pretty cool in here, so I think the stream gets a little bigger and wider as we go on. Very slippery, icy path here. Another bridge in here. It looks like not too many people have walked across. Yeah, so we're kind of following this creek down the hill. Oh, taking the high road here. Yeah, hopefully I don't encounter too many more spots like this, because this is hilly and slippery. It's funny, I could hear the highway right here. And I do believe it is the hill, the traffic from the hill coming up to the college. Getting a little hilly in here. Yeah, so this looks like somewhat of a lookout here. Again, probably you can see right across Lake Nipissing from here. But you guys got a lot of trees in the way. And I could see the res building at the bottom of the hill. Yeah, so I think that's as far as that trail goes. We'll get back hopefully get back on the right trail here. I'm not going to say the trail's poorly marked, but maybe that wasn't even Duchesne Creek coming out of there. Yeah, so I just want to say also, hopefully everybody's had a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays for those people that don't celebrate Christmas. And hoping everybody had a really good time, even though we didn't have a white Christmas like we usually do. Again, it's always nice to appreciate the nice mild weather that we do have at times. So, I think we're just a bunch of complainers all the time. Even when the weather's really nice, we complain it's too hot. And then when there's too much snow, we complain about we should be living in Toronto, Florida. I guess to get away from the snow, you could move to Toronto also from North Bay, because we do get a lot more. Yeah, so very unusual, this weather. Now we're kind of walking down a pretty cool spot here. You get all the peat moss on these rocks, which is very cool. This is some natural Canadian shield, which is pretty cool. I love the greenery. So we'll keep on walking down this trail. It is heading towards down the hill and the right way I want to go. Again, I have to concentrate on my footing more than the video. And here it looks like where two trails meet. Again, there looks like some pretty cool rocks in here. Let's just, it's one of those things that I wish I had done. So I'm actually walking the wrong way now, and check out all this natural broken rock in here. Actually, may not even be natural, because it's hard to say, because the rocks are broken on each side. And that's a different color of green, eh? Yeah, very cool in here. All this cool moss on the trees here. And cedar trees mostly in here. I'm surprised we didn't scare up a partridge. But yeah, I guess we'll head back the other way now. All right, we'll just keep on walking here. Hopefully we're going the right way. And it's all flat ground in here, so I can walk a little faster. And I could see I'm walking beside the hospital here, so I am definitely going the right way. And also this trail looks like a fairly walked trail, that's for sure. I'm probably not the first person to make a video, but this is a first for my channel to be walking along here and on a nice mild day, December 25th. It's about 6 degrees out. And the normal highs for this time of year is -6. Yeah, so I couldn't imagine myself walking along in here in maybe snowshoes or something. It'd probably be safer. You have more traction in snowshoes than walking on this ice, which is pretty slippery. So slippery I gotta take little baby steps. So. And this is how we know we're going the right way. And then there's another trail that goes directly up the hill. The Red Oak Trail, yeah. All right. So I still have yet to see any animals. No birds, no deers, no wolf, no foxes, and luckily no bears. Because today I do not have my bear flare with me. And actually I wouldn't use my bear flare in the city, because I'm pretty sure somebody'd be calling the police. Nice big hill here. You see right up to the top. Yeah, a good place for a bear to watch up there, walk by. Yeah, so I'm walking right beside the hospital right now. And I could hear all the generators and the power plant at the hospital going. And let's see if I can give you guys a good look, but that's looking across Lake Nipissing, so it does look a little foggy on the lake today. Any ice on the lake, that'd sure be melting today. But one thing is that we're looking forward to colder weather next week, so I probably won't be out ice fishing on New Year's Day, that's for sure. Unless I'm taking my fishing rod and just fishing off the shore, which I may do. right. So, there's got a lookout trail here, which I don't think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pass up on this one. And there's some artifacts along the road here, along the trail. Yeah, so the Big Dipper, or the Dipper Big. Yeah, so kind of cool rock formations in here. Can't get away from the graffiti, but D plus B is love, I guess. Yeah. You know what? I probably should go with the lookout trail because this looks like it goes down the hill. And you know what? I don't want to go down the hill. Alrighty, everyone. I've made a decision here, and what we're going to do is we're going to go up the hill because it is a lookout hill, and I'm not just here to show you the bush and a trail, but I'm here to show you all the great scenes in and around North Bay. So yeah, we're gonna take a walk up this hill. And again, all the fall leaves are still on the ground. Looks like it's got less snow up here. Very easy for walking. I think woodpeckers had their time with this tree. Surprised something's not living in it. Yeah, so this is quite the hill. It's actually taking the wind out of me a little bit. I'm getting warm, I gotta take off my hat. Wow. Wow. see right across Lake Nipissing, but there's too many trees in the way, so hopefully we get a clear spot up here. The shell is actually pretty good. It looks like it has stepping stones. Well, there's a partridge. All right, I got to see a bird. He did have his nice colors out. Wow. I sure didn't realize this was up so high. I got a feeling I'm heading north here, but like I was only behind the hospital, so, and the hospital is about a kilometer away from. About a kilometer away from Duchesne Falls, so. Feel it's starting to rain a little bit. And definitely head north here. Which I didn't think I'd be heading north. Well, this is quite the nature walk. Getting me pooped. Well, that's pretty good so far. We've only seen one partridge and no humans. I was kind of hoping the trail didn't go. There's some signs over here. Give me an idea where we are, because I am feeling a little lost. All right, shows the trail curving. So, really hope I don't have to. Another part of the trail. Yeah, no more uphill, please. That doesn't look like it. Again, more uphill. Wow. Yeah, I really hope this is the trail. Hope everybody appreciates this walk because whew, we're up pretty high here. All right. Well, this is it. Alrighty. We can see right across the lake here. Absolutely gorgeous here. So I really don't know which way the trail goes now. I'm kind of hoping I could walk down the other side, and it's the Shaney Falls right down in there. Yeah. I guess it is worth a great shot coming up here. Alrighty. Hopefully the weather stays good and you guys keep tuned in for the rest of the walk. Hopefully it's all downhill from here. Alrighty everyone, I've made it to the top of this hill and I do believe I'm well 800 feet above Lake Nipissing here. And we're just about ready to walk down this lake. We're down to the Shaney Falls, to the lake, I could say. But yeah, let's keep on going.